Changing your phone number on Discord is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord app on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon user settings at the bottom left corner of the screen next to your username. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to My Account. In the user settings menu, find and select the My Account tab. This section contains your account information, including your current phone number. Step 4. Update phone number. Look for the option to change your phone number. Click on Edit next to your current phone number, then enter your new phone number in the provided field. You may need to verify this number via a code sent to it. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new phone number and completing any verification steps, ensure you click the Save Changes button to update your account with the new information. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on Discord will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Discord's Help Center for further assistance.